very depressed seeing me because I was only this much.
Good afternoon. This is one of my twins, Dominic. The other twin is Patrick. He's got college today. And both of them were born in 2005. Actually, their due date was March first week, but they are born on Jan 9th, 2005. And they were born in premature twins they were. And because there was no NICU and we were forced to bring them to Mehta's because of the closest hospital which had the facility of NICU beds for premature babies. And they had to come in the ambulance and emergency, and they were admitted over here. And I was in St. Joseph Nursing Home. I was really discharged on the 13th of Jan. They were born on the 9th, but I was discharged on the 13th of Jan. So till then I had not seen my twins, and my husband was shuttling between Mehta's and Joseph because he had to bring the milk for them, so up and down. And they were fully in the hands of Dr. Lakshmi only. And of course, Dr. Nyana Balan also was here. And for us, when I walked into the NICU, it was a big room with nearly 25 babies. And I had to search for my children. And they just told it is like baby of Priya Thomas 1, baby of Priya Thomas 2. So when I saw them, I was in really full of tears in my eyes. I couldn't bear to see my children lying in this type of a bed. But then Dr. Lakshmi came and said, don't worry, your twins are far better when compared to so many other little babies over here. And she gave us a lot of courage, lot of strength. And she said, one day your children will be strappers. Don't worry, Priya, she said. And yes, today I very proudly say that it is because of Dr. Lakshmi and because of this Mehta Hospital, the way the nurses, the doctors, the way they looked after my twins. And today they are strappers today. Lot of pride for me and for my husband to tell that they are our twins. And I should only thank Mehta Hospital for looking after not only my children like this. There are so many thousands of children in these past 20 years that have walked into this NICU with mothers crying with so much of pain. But when we leave the hospital, there's a big smile and a big satisfaction on our face that the Mehta Hospital, the staff, the doctors and all the nurses have looked after our children so well. And anytime we can just give a call to Dr. Lakshmi and ask her, our baby is not well, what to do, and immediately she says what is to be done. You know, there is so much of warmth around her, and we are so happy and so grateful always to this hospital and to the NICU team over here. Thank you everybody. I should also thank Dilip uncle because Dilip uncle and daddy are childhood friends, they are neighbors, and it's only because of that we are so close with Mehta's Hospital. Like for anything, any small, if we need a hospital emergency, we just come here immediately, and we know that everybody's over there, all the doctors, nurses to look after us. So thank you, Dilip uncle, for being like opening this hospital and being so warm and kind with everything what's happening over here.
ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து நாங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யுருவிகா, நான் ரூபேஷ், நான் என் ஒய்ஃபு, குழந்தை தான், 3 பேர் தான். ஸோ எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபேமிலி சைடு 2 சைடுமே இருந்துமே, பட் ஆனால் ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் வந்து எங்களுக்கு வந்து மதர் ஃபாதர் எல்லாமே இருந்தது லக்ஷ்மி மேம் தான், உண்மையாக சொல்லலாம். ஏன்னா நாங்கள் வந்து இங்கே வரும்போது சடனாக தான் வந்து சி செக்ஷன் பண்ண வந்தோம். நாங்கள் பார்த்தது ஆனால் நாங்கள் சி செக்ஷன் பண்ணது இங்கே தான், அங்கேருந்து இங்கே ரெஃபர் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து சி செக்ஷன் முடிஞ்ச அடுத்த 3 ஹவர்ஸில் இவர் வெளில வந்த உடனே எதிர்பார்க்கவே இல்லை அப்படி ஒரு ஹாப்பினஸ். பட் ஆனால் இவனை கூட நான் பார்க்கல, ஃபஸ்ட்டு என் ஒய்ஃபை தான் பார்த்தேன். ஸோ அவங்க எப்படி இருக்காங்க என்னென்னு மேம் சொன்னாங்க, அதெல்லாம் போய் பார்க்குறீங்க, உங்கள் பையனை போய் பாருங்க, அவன் தான் சூப்பராக இருக்கான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அனுப்பிச்சாங்க. அதுலேருந்து டெய்லியும் நாங்கள் இங்கே தான் வந்து நிற்போம். நாங்கள் மடிப்பாக்கம்லேருந்து வரோம் ஆக்சுவலாக. ஸோ நாங்கள் என்றைக்குமே டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து நாங்கள் இது பண்ணதே கிடையாது. நாங்கள் டெய்லியும் வருவோம், டெய்லியும் வந்து மேம் பார்த்தா தான் எங்களுக்கு பூஸ்ட்டு. ஸோ அவங்க தான் எங்களை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, நீங்கள் வந்து கவலைப்படாதீங்க, அவன் வந்து இவ்வளோ அண்டர் வெயிட்டில் போயிட்டான் அதெல்லாம் நினச்சி ஃபீலே பண்ணாதீங்க, உங்களுக்கு பின்னாடி பார்க்கறதுக்கு அவனை பார்க்கவே முடியாது, உங்களால் அவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்படுவீங்க, நீங்கள் தான் ஓடுவோம், அவன் பின்னாடியே நீங்கள் ஓடுற மாதிரி ஆகும். நாங்கள் இப்போ அதுதான் நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு. இப்போ நான் இறக்கி விட்டேன்னா ஓடிடுவோம், அதனால தான் கையிலே வச்சுருக்கேன். அவ்வளோ வந்து ஒரு எந்துவான பையன், ரொம்ப எந்துவான பையன். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் டு Mehta Hospital.
So he was born in hospital. It was an emergency C-section. We never expected it. Like there was no pre-complications or like no gestational diabetes or nothing was there. Suddenly the amniotic fluid dropped down and it was an emergency C-section. Immediately an ambulance from Mehta had reached over there. I haven't seen him at all. Like once he was born, like he was taken with Murli over here.
Sleeping 3 to 5 days in front of the parking only.
He will be just shuttling between and over here, Mehta Hospital. But day one, I think like there is some levels in the NICU. They said like he is in level 1, like the brain development only. He cannot see. Then there is like some liver problem. There will be lung infection. No proper lung development, everything. Like, still, ma'am, whenever like I was in the bed in the C-section, she don't worry, nothing will happen. He will be fine. He will be coming out. Like, as an astrologer, she was seeing like each and every step. He came out like really bad. Like within 1 week of time, like I think exactly on Vinayaka Chaturthi day, this fellow came out of NICU, and I was shifted over here after 3 days after my surgery. And the sisters and doctors are like a blessing. They are not doctors actually, they are like angels, gods for us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I'm a premature. My due date was around September or so, but I was born 1st July and I was under 1 kg, that's all I know. Oh my god. I had some complications though at the time of birth, but as I know Lakshmi doctor and other assistants also are there, but I don't know Dr. Mitch was this much, only this much, as the mom says. So I am here, you can see me now. So almost 20 years